Hello everyone, welcome again. Let's understand typecasting today. So typecasting means when we are changing the value to some other type. Example, x is equals to float of 1. We are changing integer type to float type. So if you check the type of x now, it will be float and the value of x will be 1.0. Like I am printing print x here and we are getting value 1.0. And the class of x, if we are checking the class of x, type of x, so you will see it will be float. Similarly, you can change decimals, this float value to integer. So we are doing y is equals to int of 2.8. So the class of y will be integer and the value of y will be 2. As we are printing here, print y. So you can see the value of y is 2 and the type of y is integer. Similarly, you can change the string value to integer. Here we are giving string in double quotes 3 and we are changing the type of this 3 string into int. So z is equals to int of 3. Here if we check the type of the z, it will be int and the value of z will be 3. This is how we can do typecast integer to float, float values to integer and string to integer. Okay. Similarly, you can do integer to float like I said or in string to float. Here we are doing float of string value. So you can check if we print z, the value of this z is 3.0. Okay. We can check here 3.0. As we are doing print x, y, z and type of w. So we can also check the type of w is float. And it will be, the value of the w will be 4.2. Okay. Similarly, we can do typecast string to string, but we cannot change the typecast of s1 to integer or float. I can show you. Q is equals to int of any string value. This will give an error. See, invalid literal for int with base 10 s1. As this includes alphabet, so we cannot change the type of s1. I hope the difference is clear. We can change numbers to any value, string in float, but we cannot change alphabet value or any sentence value to integer or float. As we can see here, we can change numbers to string. This will give 2 as a string and this will give 3.0 float value to string. Let's print these values. Print y and z. So you can see, wait, let's comment this. This is giving an error. 2 and 3. And if we see the type of y, it will be string. Type of z, type of y and type of z, so it will be string. This is how we can do typecasting. Let's move on. Next example. Suppose we have x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2.8 and z is equals to 1j. This is integer, float and complex value. And we are assigning this float of x to a. So this will make 1 to 1.0. If we print this value, you will see 1.0. Okay, print a is 1.0. If we print integer of y to b, so if we will print, okay, if we print b, you will see d gives 2. Let's print this 2. We are getting 2 value here because we are typecasting float value to integer. Okay. Then we are typecasting complex of x. So it will give 1 plus oz, 1 plus oj. Let's check this. 1 plus oj. This makes this complex value. We are converting integer to complex. If we check the type of ABC, type of A will be float, type of B will be integer, type of C will be complex. Similarly, you can change this to string also. Like you can give str to x. Let's print this q. You will see, you will get the value 1, but if you check the type of q, it will be string. It will be string. That's all for the typecasting. Please subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.